Hello, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Sweet Angel here. I'm super happy you decided to watch this video today. We're talking about grapefruit and how it is so wonderful for lightening dark elbows, knees, inner thighs, underarms, and so much more. Let's talk about grapefruits. Listen, after you're done eating your morning grapefruit, put half of it away for this special treatment. Did you know grapefruit is helpful in lightening those areas which tend to get darker, and also it'll help keep the skin feeling soft? As it turns out, when applied topically, the vitamin-rich grapefruit can help to even out the skin tone and work as a natural astringent to even prevent acne. Grapefruit is high in vitamin C, which stimulates the production of collagen to soften the skin and help to brighten and reduce the appearance of dark spots and even wrinkles. Yes, it's a natural bleach that will help to reduce darkness from your elbows, knees, inner thighs, even your neck. Grapefruit contains lycopene, which is known to reduce redness and inflammation of the skin as well, helping to even out your skin tone for a smooth complexion. Let me share with you that grapefruit is a vital ingredient to include in your skincare routine if you long for radiant, glowing skin. Again, all that you'll need is half of this grapefruit. That's right, just half of it. I'm going to mix this with a special ingredient. I will be using rice powder. Now, I made this rice powder myself simply by putting white rice in the blender and blending it up. Now, it'll have a little bit of a gritty feeling, so guess what? It can effectively help to exfoliate the skin and help to remove dead skin. Rice flour or either rice powder are a powerhouse of skin lightening properties that can effectively lighten the skin on your knees, your elbows, and so much more. Rice powder can be used not only to lighten the skin, but to brighten the skin, remove suntans, getting rid of skin dirt, which cause pimples and acne, and to give your skin an even tone. All I do is make my way to the shower and I just pour on or sprinkle on a bit of the rice powder onto the half of the grapefruit and just use it as a scrub, scrubbing my elbows, my knees, even my neck, and even the inner thighs. Try using it also on your underarms, making sure you have no cuts, nicks, or broken skin. Once I've completed, simply rinse off in the shower and apply a moisturizer to the skin. I encourage you to do this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Over time, you'll see the dark areas begin to fade, and you'll have beautiful, radiant, glowing skin, smooth, blemish-free skin, and goodbye to the pigmented skin you once dreaded. Simple and easy. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video or did get some value out of it, please drop a like on it, share a comment, share some hearts. I would love that as well. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and please share me with your world. Take care until next time. Bye now.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for a